She came to me. She volunteered. Both times she volunteered. Seeing First Minister Stroud undergo treatment. Do you know how many children are alive today thanks to her? She should be buried here, you know, with the Allfathers. The people need her inspiration.
Your inspiration was my wife.
First Minister, Lieutenant Phoenix and his squad.
Send them in. Ah, Lieutenant. I'm told you had a successful mission.
First Minister, I can explain.
By all means, explain when Damon Baird superseded me. Explain how launching a Hammer of Dawn satellite doesn't require my explicit approval.
Same page, huh?
Lieutenant, the Hammer of Dawn has taken more COG lives than most of the armies we've opposed. Your father knows this as well as anyone.
It's not the weapons I don't trust, First Minister. It's the people who use them.
The Hammer of Dawn will not be brought back online. Ah, that'll be a report on the evacuation of Settlement 2.
Settlement 2's being evacuated? Why?
There's been activity in the nearby burial site. Chief Carmine, report.
We're under attack! We need immediate help!
Please, slow down.
Send reinforcements! Now!
Mobilize the 4th Division. We'll take command of the reinforcement effort.
Do it. Go.
James, we're getting close. Where do you want me and Kate?
Main gate. Keep anything else from getting inside.
You realize I'm the ranking officer here, right?
And we'll reinforce Carmine at the town hub.
I can't believe we're back here. We did our duty. You need to get over it. Get over it?
Guys, not the time. Cole, let's see what we're dealing with.
Oh, shit! Hang on to something! Get out! 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 Run! Move your ass! JD! I can't see! I can't move!
Hang on, Cole! Val, Buzz, we're pinned down here!
We're coming! We got Juvies up here!
Shit, we got him down here too!
You better keep them skinny shits off us!
Damn Julies! Man, I hate these things.
JD! Oh! You guys all right? All right! I got a goddamn raven on my back! We're not all right! I got you! Hang on! Be right there! Hold on! JD! I can't see! I can't move!
Just hang on, Cole! Val, Buzz, we're pinned down here!
We're coming! We got Juvies up here!
Shit, we got him down here too!
Better keep them skinny shits off us!
Damn Julies! Man, I hate these things.
JD! Oh! You guys all right? All right! I got a goddamn raven on my back! Get out all right! was the last one.
Thanks. Get us out of here.
Boss, get cold!
Thanks. Well, that sucked. Baird, look, our Raven's down. You patch us through to Carmine?
No can do, kid. His radio's out.
Is he okay?
I can see him at the central hub, so he's up and fighting, but swarm's all over him. Hurry if you can.
Run our way. Come on, Delta. Let's get out of here. Wow, hub's farther than they hoped.
Then we better move it, Delta.
All right, through here. Baird, we got a Swarmac at our location.
I'll deploy TV units to take it out. Just get to Carmine.
We'll go. Right after we're done here.
Delta dug in! Jack, hit him with flag!
I'm down!
Right, out!
Frag out!
I'll got you, mate!
Took him down.
Room's clear.
All evac trucks, proceed immediately to the hub. No stopping.
Lizzie, Delta here. There's a Swarmac in the settlement. Keep your convoy away from it.
Delta, I was gonna do donuts around it.
Be advised, Corporal. They're faster than they look. Delta out. Evac convoy!
Yeah. Lizzie's from the speed of it. The best driver we got. Problem is, shit. Everybody stay back. They're coming in.
Hey! Stand down, Private! We're gears!
Shit, sorry, Lieutenant.
No harm, no foul. What are you doing here?
Lost our DBs and we got civilians holed up in here.
Lizzie, Delta requesting civilian pickup. Sector 8, apartment complex.
Copy that, Delta. I'll circle back.
Thanks for that, Lieutenant.
No problem, Private. Come on, Delta.
Sorry again for the air and fire, Lieutenant.